Unlock the secret to breathtaking pet portraits in World of Pets using the power of Lightroom. First, you need a high-quality in-game screenshot. Aim for good lighting within the game itself and a clear shot of your pet, without too much clutter in the background. Once you have your desired screenshot, transfer it to your computer and open it in Lightroom. We'll start with the basic panel. Begin by adjusting the exposure to brighten or darken your image to a pleasing level. Next, play with the highlights and shadows sliders. Bring down highlights to recover detail in bright areas and lift shadows to reveal details in darker sections, like your pet's fur. Increase the whites and blacks carefully to expand the dynamic range and add contrast without clipping details. Now, let's enhance the colors. Adjust the vibrance to subtly boost colors that are already present, and use saturation to globally increase or decrease all colors. For those adorable details, head to the Presence panel, increase clarity to add mid-tone contrast, and make your pet more defined. A touch of Dehaze can also make your pet portrait clearer and more vibrant, especially if your original screenshot was a bit hazy. Finally, navigate to the Details panel. Apply some sharpening to bring out the texture of your pet's fur and the sparkle in its eyes. With these simple adjustments, your World of Pets companions will truly shine. Share your extraordinary pet moments and tag us.